All right, hello there on this October 1st. This is the 8th video in the series on the my 1941 Dodge WC-6 command car slash truck, also known as Oddball. That's the name I've given it since it's kind of a command car that was turned into a truck. A little odd. Plus it references the great movie Kelly's Heroes. All right, got a little bit of breeze today. Nice and cool. I'm working in the shade before it gets too hot, and today I'm putting the transfer case in. I tried doing it last weekend, and well, you know, holding it up with one hand trying to get the bolts threaded just didn't work, and I paid for it all week. So I got out the old cutting torch and MIG welder and went to the scrap pile and made a little tiny little bracket that bolts into my jack. I tried just using my jack by itself, but it was just, you know, transfer cases, the weights are never level even. So this kind of sits in here just right. So I'm going to roll it under. I got my floor bolt sitting here. Got some Loctite. Got the tools I need down there. Got my old man knee pad. Got some oil and a little bit of Gatorade with a splash of something else in there. And we're gonna get this transfer case put back in. And then I can put all the drive shafts in, because all the drive shafts have new U-joints. Yeah, so, and that should be it for the undercarriage, except for the fuel line. I'm going to run a new fuel line today and fuel filter, because I guess there's a hole in the fuel line, and one way or the other, it's all the fuel is siphoning back to the tank, and it's having a hard time starting, so it makes it act like it's out of fuel. So that's the plan for today, because tomorrow I won't be working on it. At least my plans aren't. Get everything done today. So stick around. Grab beer. Just, I'm going to click pause and we'll come back a little later. Would you look at that? Oh no, over here. Over here. Come over here. All right. Things are moving along quite well this Saturday afternoon, October 1st. Got the transfer case back in. Got the little drive shaft in, got the front drive shaft in, got the back drive shaft in with all new U-joints, all new seals in the transfer case, fresh oil in the transfer case, fresh oil in the transmission. I just drained the engine oil. All the zert fittings have been zerted. I'm going to replace a fuel line and a fuel filter. Let's go up top. All right, got a new Napa oil filter, got 5 quarts of oil, got a new glass fuel bowl. I'm going to replace all this fuel line. It's all kind of all over the place. Got spark plugs, and then I got some I got to make these, I got to bolt on, figure out how to bolt these hood props on. Didn't really, thought that would be an easier, thought that clamp would go around and just put a bolt through, but these rods are a lot bigger, so got to work on that. I'm gonna build a new bracket there for the alternator. It kind of wiggles a little bit, maybe come off and go up to the thermostat housing, give it a brace. We'll see how far the day takes me, but getting a lot done. Sun's starting to get down to that kill spot right here, where every time you look up you go blind. So, but it's not warm out. It's nice, it's cool. So we're gonna get some stuff done today. So check back in a flash. Shazam. Woo, another cool evening. Got the neighborhood cats coming around looking for a free meal. Go get yourself some gophers. All right, let's talk about it. What we got going on here? All right, wrapping up the weekend. One thing I haven't got to, which I don't know if I'm gonna finish it tonight or maybe do it tomorrow, but this is the original hitch off the back of the 41 Dodge WC-6 command car. I took it off to put a trailer hitch receiver in, so I got some scrap steel. I got some 2-inch thick wall tubing here. I got this plate. I'm going to probably tomorrow cut this out and drill the holes and mount this to this and then weld this, and that way I still have the look of the hitch. It should be sturdy enough. I'll gusset it up. So let's go around back and show you what we've done for the weekend. Oh, there she is. Yeah, I gotta do some cleanup back here. Got around the backyard. Everything seems to be doing pretty good. Got the transfer case in, drive shafts are done, brakes are done, wheel cylinders in the front, all new, repacked all the bearings, replaced one bearing, all the seals replaced. Let's see what else we do. The fuel line, redid the fuel line, put a new fuel filter in. Let me show you. I gotta clean this up a little bit, but I put a new fuel filter in. Got the one hood prop on this side installed, but I still need to get the hood still wants to pop up. And I had a little bit of an oil leak here, so when I did the oil change, put in some new spark plugs. Still have to do an alternator bracket. And alternator bracket. And just clean up some of the wiring. So, brought out here in the backyard. Use that work back here. Free up my driveway. Let's see. What else? Yeah, I got the, well, as you know, I got the gas cans done. Throttle pedal. Yeah, front tires. Got new front tires put on. That was good. New tubes, new liners, all that. So come around the back. I took off the Pioneer rack, got the license plate mounted, and I got the trailer hitch bolted up in the same location as the original one. So when I put the hitch back on there, it'll look like it was stock. And looks like I got a little bit of an oil leak. Yep, gotta figure that out. So then I got one of these solar chargers to keep the battery up. So let's see. Hello. Next, steering wheel. Oh, these gauges work, so I just want to try and replace the glass. I think I'll look for that or figure something out. Oh yeah, the biggest thing. It doesn't want to run anymore. Forgot to mention that. It idles fine, but as soon as I come off idle, it dies. So I don't know what I did, but I'm gonna pull the carburetor off and I'm gonna rebuild it. So I'll probably pull the carburetor off tonight. But yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. It's moving right along. So next week, I'm hoping to be able to take it around the neighborhood for a drive. So that's the plan anyways. And then maybe a throw-up bearing. So thanks for watching, and check back later. I'm gonna hopefully get some video driving around the neighborhood, which would be fun. Have a great day, and Semper Fi.